Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a credit card as a payment method in Shopify. Now, from the Shopify dashboard here, you want to go to settings. Now, on settings, you want to go to payments. On payments, you can see you want to go to choose a provider up here. Now, on choose a provider, you can see there's a lot of providers we can choose from. Although, when you choose any one of these providers, you will need to log into any of their services, right? So, for example, if I want to go to Aiden Payments, I just have to click on install here to install the payment method as a part of my store, but I will need a Aiden Payments account to go along with it as well. So make sure you have that. This goes for all other providers in here as well, except for Focus Gateway because this is just for testing. All of these you will need a account to actually do it, right? So for example, I'm going to show you an Aiden Payments method here. I just have to click on install and then it'll open up any window like this. Now let's just wait for it to load. You can see we can choose a live account or a test account we want to link. I'm just going to click on live account. Let's just get it started. Now in here, you just have to log in. And then after you log in, your payment methods will be added right here on Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.